All right, so for your homework, you guys are to complete the written component and this board that's got all these pieces on it. Okay? So that's one part of your homework. That's very light because you've been doing most of this you're doing in class. The second part of your homework that you guys need to have to brought in is going to be, you need to bring in another one of these entire boards because we're going to be using it on Wednesday to create additional sort of folded and pleated elements, right? Your final for the bus project is due next Monday. You have a full week to work on it. So the final presentation requirements for this class are going to be a presentation quality model built out of museum board. So you should immediately start working on that. Okay, I am purposely keeping the homework for what we're doing right now fairly light so that you guys have time to work on that. Do not waste your time. Do not spin your wheels. You now have a presentation. You have to have that model, and with the canopies and the buses, everything's got to be modeled by next Monday. Okay? Make sure that you're showing your buses. You've got to build the little buses. And it's all got to be out of 2-ply museum board. All right? Any questions? Okay. So you guys can finish up working on this stuff in class, and then I'll see you guys on Wednesday.